How to use ChatGPT and Midjourney AI to make passive income. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and incredible day. I bring you back with yet another great video, and in this video we're going to be discussing how you can use the great AI chatbot ChatGPT and the great AI art generator Midjourney to make good and passive income. So let's get straight into it. So if you're not familiar with ChatGPT and Midjourney AI, they are two powerful tools that can be used to create content, automate tasks, and even generate income. In this video, we'll explore deeply on how to use these tools to make passive income. Firstly, let's start with ChatGPT. It is a large language model that can generate human-like responses to text prompts. This means that you can use it to create articles, emails, social media posts, and even entire books without having to write the content yourself. To use ChatGPT for passive income, you can create an online course, ebook, or digital product that provides value to your audience. Then use ChatGPT to generate the content for you. This way you can create high quality content without spending hours writing it yourself. So let's say you are to write, "Hi, I want to write an ebook. Can you give me good topics to write it on?" Okay, we're gonna write that. And here we are. Certainly, here are some self-potential topics you could consider writing your ebook on. So let's go with technology, okay? Give me content ideas for number 8. You're gonna write that. Here we are. Sure, here are some potential content ideas for an ebook focused on technology. So you can go with all of this, cloud computing, emerging technologies. Let's go with emerging technologies. Okay, we're gonna go, can you write me an ebook on emerging technologies? You're just going to ask it to write that. So obviously it's not going to give you the full ebook, but what you can do is you one by one get the information out of it. So you can go with write me an article on emerging technologies. There we go. And here you are. Certainly, here's an article on emerging technologies. Emerging technologies are transforming the way we live and work, from artificial intelligence to blockchain to robotics and biotechnology. These technologies have the potential to change entire industries and create new opportunities for innovation and growth. So, you get the point. You can use it to make great stuff for yourself. Next, let's talk about Midjourney AI. Midjourney AI is an AI-powered chatbot that can automate conversations with your customers. This means that you can use it to handle customer support, sales, and even lead generation without having to hire a team of employees. To use Midjourney AI for passive income, basically what you're going to do is you're going to create a chatbot that promotes your digital product or online courses created with ChatGPT. The chatbot can handle customer inquiries, provide information about your product, and even process payments. This way you can generate sales and revenue even while you sleep. So let me give you an example, okay? Let's go on our Midjourney. Midjourney is obviously a Discord-based AI, so we're going to come here. We're going to go to the newbie rooms, okay? So we're writing a prompt for, emerging technologies. So you can just write emerging technologies. Let's just write this for now. Let's just write this as our prompt. We're going to enter, okay? And once we enter, we're just going to wait for it to start processing our unit. Now, as we all know, that there's a lot of prompts going on nowadays, and it's just a lot of work. So make sure you're up to the latest messages. And here's our prompt. So it says waiting to start. And here you go. So now it's started creating whatever you asked it to. And we're just going to wait for it to create something for us. Now, obviously, we just wrote emerging technologies. We didn't write anything else. Okay, so what you can do to make it even faster is you can go on the Midjourney settings and just increase the settings, turn it up a notch. But I'm pretty sure you need the paid version for that, so you can pay for it if you want to. But you get the point. So we're just going to wait for it to keep on loading. And once it's fully loaded, we're going to go ahead and we're going to start working with it. So I'm just going to wait for it. As we can see, it's 46% done, and we can already get an idea of what it's, planning on creating. So as you can see, you get this whole chart of emerging technologies, of engineering. And look at that. Look at these little electronic pods. Look at how cool those look. So you can use those for your articles. Emerging technologies look something like this, and this is what it's going to, come to at one point in our life. So as you can see, it's up, and here we go. So as you can see, it's really high quality stuff. It looks amazing. And you can basically then use one of these things to have a better look on emerging technologies. So now what you can do more is to basically, let's discuss some tips basically for creating a successful passive income stream with ChatGPT and Midjourney AI. First, make sure to provide value to your audience with your digital product or online course or whatever you're making using Midjourney and ChatGPT. This will encourage people to purchase your product and share it with others. Second, optimize your chatbot to provide a seamless user experience. This means that the chatbot should be easy to use and provide quick answers to common questions. Additionally, make sure that the chatbot integrates with your website and other tools you use to run your business. And finally, promote your passive income stream through social media, email marketing, and other channels. This will help you reach a wider audience and generate more sales for yourself. So that is obviously one way to make passive income. Another way is to, let's say you're gonna, as I said, let's talk about emerging technologies. So if I write emerging technologies, you can write, can you give me nouns and adjectives about emerging technologies? Okay, you're gonna ask it to do that for you. And as you can see, it gives you all these things. So what you're going to do is you're going to copy all of these. So where you're going to write, can you write these as a prompt for an AI art generator? We're going to write it like that. So there you go. And once all of this is done, what we're going to do is we're going to copy all of this. Okay. Once this is copied, what we're going to do is we're going to come here. We're going to obviously write imagine and paste it. And once it's pasted, we're just going to enter it, and we're going to go ahead and ask it to create all these things that we asked it to do. So let's just wait for it to, create it. As we can see, it's obviously a bigger message. So it's going to take a few seconds. So obviously once this is done, I'm just going to obviously wait for this to load us up. And once this is done, what we're going to do is obviously we're going to head onto our ChatGPT and create, as we said, a good article. And here's our article. Obviously, as you can see, emerging technology are transforming. AI is one of the most rapidly advancing emerging technologies. Blockchain is another emerging technology, and you can get all this data. And once you copy it, you can paste it into some PDF editor. And from there on out, you can sell it on your, Amazon or maybe Etsy or maybe Pinterest or something like that. Or you can also make a YouTube channel where you can narrate all of this and put AI generated images behind it. And you could put up images like this. Now you can see, look how cool that looks. Look at how, techie, how futuristic, and how cool, looks amazing. Looks great. And what you can do is if we go here, look at that. Extremely high definition and looks extremely cool. This one looks extremely realistic as well. So yeah, that is basically how you're going to use Midjourney and ChatGPT to create passive income and get it. So yeah, that's basically all there is for today's video. If you enjoyed watching, please drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, basically that's all there is for today's video. If you had fun, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel again, helps me out a lot, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.